All right, good morning. And so today we're gonna open up a new package that came in. Got a new little small package and a big box. So let's take a look at what we got in here. Do the big one first. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Let's see what's in here. All right, looks like we got a helmet. Ooh, and some stickers. Nice. Always love the stickers. Let's take a look at what kind of helmet we got. All right, look at that. Sweet. So this is going to be my new motocross helmet, ATV helmet. Looks like it's got a visor, some kind of shield. Nice bag that it comes in. Oh yeah. Let's take a look at what's in here. Some new glasses, goggles. Looks like a towel to wipe them off. It's set up for, you can put the wrap or the rip-offs on there. That's really nice. I like those. Take a look at the helmet. Oh yeah, I love that color. That color is sweet. It's got an emergency padding removal in case you're in an accident. It's got feed. It's got a hydration tube slot so you can run your hydration line from your backpack up into the helmet so you can drink some water or Gatorade, whatever you got going on in there. That is a sweet helmet. It's got these turbine things in here. I'll see if you can see those. It's blue. It's supposed to help with brain injury. 360 turbine technology, head and brain protection. It's supposed to reduce rotational damage. Liner comes out, you can wash it. Got a large for my head, 59 to 60 centimeters. All right, let's try it on. Oh yeah, that's comfortable. And it fits really good. It's nice. Got the straps on the bottom. I have to figure out how to work them. Take all these tags off, it'll help. It's nice and snug. It's not overly tight. I really like that fit. It fits good. Try the goggles on. Oh yeah, it's nice. That fits perfect. I really like that. What do y'all think of the color? I think it's called Cactus. I really like it. I wanted something that wasn't all black so that it wouldn't absorb so much heat. I really like this color. I have a black helmet now and it gets really hot when you're in direct sun. This is nice. It feels great on my head. It's not too tight. I like the goggles. Yeah, that's sweet. I like it. They're nice and comfy. Definitely a winner. Keeping this one. Yeah, that's sweet. Those are super soft. I like it. I like it. So we got a new helmet. I think I might even use this one on the Ruckus. I like it. .5 series. It's got a lot of ventilation in it. I'm excited. This thing is nice. Woohoo! Let's see what this is. Like a sun visor. Just clip on somehow. Oh yeah. Sort of like a little extension for up here. I'll read the directions and see how this mounts on.